first few weeks when I was here, I would sing to them, but I didn't know if they liked it. So I wanted to find out because I didn't want to sing for spirits that didn't want to hear me. You know.
Right.
We had a medium come through. He recorded me. He had one of those EMF recorders, and I asked the empty room, "Is it okay if I sing?" And then I sang a Nat King Cole song, and when I was done, there was silence. It was just me and him and his assistant in the room. On Halloween, I get a call from him saying that he went back over the recording, and when I asked the room if it was okay if I sang, somebody said yeah, a male's voice. And then afterwards, there was clapping, and a woman's voice saying that was lovely. Nobody was in the room.
Do you believe in ghosts?
If I can record myself. Oh yes, I look so cool in night vision. That's me for ya. Hey, G.
Did you hear that just now?
I didn't.
Okay.
Josh.
We just had a tap back on the hearse.
Oh, I heard that.
Joshy, do you want to play? I totally want to see you, Joshy.
Did you just heard that tap again?
A little bit. Joshy, are you coming to play?
Again?
Yeah, I heard that one.
Joshy, we got some mint fudge for ya. What happened?
The Casey read it?
Which one?
Was it the one closest to the fudge? Yeah.
Joshy, did you go get some fudge? Sorry, that was me.
There they go.
Oh, wow. Both the ones, wow, 3 of them were going.
Yeah. I think he got his fudge or
Yeah.
had a taste of it, eh, Josh?
Did you like it, Joshy? Does it taste good?
Last night, we were having a lot of noises.
There you go,
Fudge
there
is-
you go, there you go. There's
There the other one. I always likes that a lot.
Your one next to you is doing it too.
He likes it.
But
Yay.
Sorry, go ahead.
if you like, here, I'm going to turn on my light real quick so I can get out of my chair. I'm going to reverse some of these
Look,
and move them.
how many.
Look, they're all 4 going.
Nice.
I'm going to move some of these and see if they still are the ones that light up, or if they light up the other ones. It's just a test that I run sometimes to make sure it's not like a battery goes dead or something.
Are those cards we just on you before?
They're still lighting all 4 of them up.
Yeah. That's awesome.
It is awesome, and mine.
Well, thank you, whoever's doing this.
Yes, thank you.
Whoever's here, do you think you can make this one go off over here, mine? It might be a little bit harder. Please. I would appreciate it.
Well, the fudge is over here.
I know, right?
Last night we
He
had
thought that was funny too.
somebody on these steps of it.
Look, I got an orb. Oh, that was really cool.
Are you recording?
Yes.
Awesome.
It was right here in front of the table. Look, and look at them go off.
Wow.
Oh, I find that very awesome.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Who do we have with us here tonight? I'm curious.
Hank, you think it's Hank?
It could be Hank.
Look at all that.
No, they stopped.
I know, then they
Okay.
stopped.
Is it Joshy making these go off?
Joshy!
You honored him with your candy. How
Well,
nice.
Joshy and me,
He's such a good boy.
Joshy and me, we're good friends.
Yeah.
Yes, thank you, Joshy, that means a lot. I bring him treats. The first time the fudge happened, I was bringing some candy cane fudge back here to like have somebody try downstairs. Candy corn, I mean, it was back in October. And I walked past and that thing starts swinging like mad up there. I said, oh, this is some fudge. I'm bringing it downstairs to Drew. And it kept swinging. I said, oh, I can't leave this here with you. We might get bugs or I can't leave it here. And it stopped. And I felt so bad.
Aw.
And I said, okay, how about this? I'll bring in a book tomorrow and I'll read you a story. What do you think of that? And it wiggled just a little bit. Like, okay. The next day, I brought in a picture book and I pulled up a chair in front of the hearse and I sat down and I read to him. And the whole time I was reading, he wiggled that thing back and forth. And we stopped and it was done. So I told that story to the people on Wednesday, and they said, you should bring in some fudge, and the lights went off. I was like, don't make promises for me, I told you I couldn't do it. I said, fine, I'll bring some in. The experience that I've had with our spirits here is that they're pretty respectful, all things considered. When I first started here, about a week on the job, I was starting to train for the night tours, and I got touched on the tour.
Yeah.
On my shoulder, up my neck, and it scared me so bad
Yeah.
that I had to ask them not to touch me anymore. I said, I gotta get used to this job, I gotta be in control, and I can't do that if I'm worried about being touched by a ghost.
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
So I asked them not to, and they didn't. I feel cold when they were standing next to me. I had the lights next to me come on, but they didn't touch me.
Okay.
And about a month and a half ago, I told them, all right, I'm good now. I know you folks. You don't scare me anymore. It's fine. And since then, I've lifted the hands band so they'll play with the feathers in my hair. They'll give me a poke or that sort of thing. Is this still Joshy over here on the table?
Sorry?
I was asking if it was Joshy here still. Is this still Joshy over here on the table?
Sorry?
I was asking if it was Joshy here still.
Do you guys think that we should turn this box off, or do you like it?
I'm not sure how they use it.
Yeah, I think, let's go ahead and turn that off.
Okay.
Usually they have to be used to something before they actually
Yeah.
use it, which I think is why they're using ours and the one I rented to her and not
And not
yours.
mine.
Yeah, because
Could be.
I even moved them around and they're still lighting them up, so it's not,
Is that why you guys? You like to just use what you know?
they're going up into the red tonight. This is pretty intense.
Can you guys light them to the red for us so that we can know that you're here? Can you get it all the way to the red? Try.
The middle one is doing it.
Is it hard to get it to the red?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We have 3 spirits that we know of here that are animals. I had a gentleman that after I speak to Bert, he said, my legs are cold. Really? Just
That's
one
so
foot.
funny.
Maybe it's already up here. But I had the gentleman say his legs were cold, so he put down his hands and he said, come over here if you want to get pet. And he looked up at me and he said, my hand is cold now. So his son snapped a photograph of him, and while the rest of the photograph was clear, his hand was blurry in the photograph. So,
Oh.
yeah.
Yeah.
Do you hear that?
I did. That wasn't any settling sound?
I don't think it was. Yeah.
Oh. Do you think I could just move mine next to the...
If you'd like to.
Okay, just to see. Try and light this one up, you guys. It's going to be right next to... Just... It might be harder for them to do that one. Or maybe they don't like it.
Mine's been lighting up
There
a
it
lot.
goes, there it goes.
Yeah.
Yes, it's going.
Yeah.
Is it?
It's, no, it's the other one right in front of it, sorry.
I'm feeling pretty cold right now, guys. I don't know if you guys are feeling cold.
I don't feel cold. But I see mine's flashing, not to the red yet, but definitely yellow, and I'm holding really still.
On my tours, on average, I might get 2 or 3 blinks on 1 or 2 of the K2 meters, and it's usually only up into the yellow.
Is
So
that
this
right?
is very strange.
Huh.
This is pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie. This is
Yeah.
a very cool tour. And I think it's because you folks are so open, and you're, so positive.
Yeah.
Good or bad? Or you don't know yet?
Oh, I just saw, I think it was. Oh, there it all is.
Were you hearing stuff?
What was that, young lady?
Yeah, but like behind me.
You're like, I don't know yet. I'm ready for that. I'm ready for the scary.
So towards the end there, you saw my sister-in-law and very dear friend. Bless her heart, she is not into the whole ghost hunting, looking for spirits thing. And she was seen somewhere at some point in the video. She was like clenching her rosary. Before the tour started, she put freaking holy water on me, which I did not want because I was welcoming everything at that point. I just wanted to see something. But yeah, so she ended up feeling some things she wasn't vocal about at the time, but she did speak to me about them after. I unfortunately didn't feel anything. But then again, I was busy behind the camera, so that could have been a little distracting and took away from my experience. So I would definitely try to next time just have a camera sitting down recording us while I participate more fully in the activities. So
While I was saying that, I heard a creak over
I
there
did.
on the stairs. I think he likes to watch the show and make sure that it goes well.
do you believe in orbs? Well, I don't, but these are all the video clips that I found throughout the night that have little balls of light, if you will. If they're not dust, I don't know. I thought they were fun, so I just threw them in here. Try and spot all of the ones that I did in these following clips.
Announcing, oh, she's here. Calculated.
You have my kudos.
All right.
I'd like to say something.
I'll miss you, Joshy.
Pretty good, guys. Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you guys for interacting with us
Probably
tonight.
why I've come back.
All right, so that was my trip to Tombstone, Arizona. I definitely recommend visiting. Just the history of the old Wild Wild West in itself is very awesome. So the chance of experiencing ghosts while you're there just makes it even better. I love that the Birdcage Theater actually lets you record, take pictures, and bring your own ghost hunting tools. That definitely adds to the legitimacy of their claims for me. I will definitely be going back. One thing that I just like to note and remind people of is when you're in a setting like that, you kind of need to have the mind of a believer and be respectful in that way. Like, even though being a skeptic, you may want to taunt things for a reaction, but at that point, you just have to be mindful of the people who are actually alive and around you at that point and their beliefs. And if they don't want you acting a certain way, then you need to respect their wishes in their space. So with that said, I think that's all for now. So happy hunting, guys, and I'll see you next time.